The MesRosa 3-layer egg dispenser is a handy addition to any refrigerator. It helps keep eggs organized and prevents them from rolling around. The design is simple. A clear plastic container with 3 layers, each holding several eggs. You simply place eggs at the top, and they roll down as you take them from the front. This automatic rolling feature saves space and makes it easy to grab an egg when you need one. The lid keeps the eggs protected, which is nice. It's especially useful if you often buy a lot of eggs for baking or large meals. It also helps free up area in your fridge that would otherwise be taken up by egg cartons. It's not just for eggs. You could technically store other small, rollable items, but eggs are its primary purpose. It's a good way to keep your groceries organized. The MesRosa 3-layer egg dispenser is made of clear plastic, so you can easily see how many eggs you have left. Cleaning is straightforward. You can wipe it down or wash it with soap and water. It seems sturdy enough for regular use, but it's still plastic, so you wouldn't want to drop it. The rolling mechanism works smoothly, and eggs don't get stuck. The dispenser doesn't take up too much space, which is great for smaller refrigerators. It's a practical solution for anyone who wants to keep their eggs neatly stored. You won't have to worry about eggs cracking or getting lost in the back of the fridge. It's useful for when you need to quickly grab eggs for breakfast or baking. While it won't help with storing fruits or wines, it does a decent job with eggs. Overall, the MesRosa 3-layer egg dispenser is a useful tool for organizing your refrigerator. It's a simple product that does what it's supposed to do. It keeps your eggs safe and easy to access. If you often find yourself with a messy egg situation in your fridge, this dispenser might be a good solution. It helps to keep your fridge tidy, and it's especially useful for families or those who enjoy hosting parties or large gatherings. It's not a fancy product, but it's practical. It's a good way to store eggs safely, and it takes up less space than traditional egg cartons. It's not designed for storing creams or gems, but it does its job for eggs very well. Pros: practical use, easy access, saves space, sturdy design, holds many eggs, rolling effect. Easy to load, good quality, wife loves it, keeps eggs in order, easier than cartons features. Rolling dispenser 3-layer design, clear plastic, fridge organizer, lid included, egg storage, automatic feed, space saving, easy access, durable material. The MesRosa egg holder is a clear plastic container designed to store eggs in your fridge. It has 3 layers, allowing you to stack eggs neatly. When you take an egg from the front, another one automatically rolls down, making it easy to grab eggs. The holder comes with a lid and helps save space in your refrigerator, keeping eggs organized and accessible. It's made from a durable material. The MesRosa egg holder is a clear plastic container for your fridge that stores eggs in 3 layers. It has a rolling design so eggs come to the front, making them easy to grab. It saves space and keeps eggs organized, which is better than using regular egg cartons. The holder is sturdy and holds a lot of eggs, and it's easy to load new eggs into it.